Here are 5 reasons why plant-based milk is better for the environment. Plant-based milk alternatives have risen in popularity in recent years. There are tons of reasons as to why this may be, but overall, they're all pointing to the fact that we might just be changing the world one glass of plant-based milk at a time. Let's get to the facts. 1. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. According to a seminal study conducted by the University of Oxford, plant-based milk production generates up to 60% lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to dairy milk production. As we covered in our last video, this is because the milk industry is extremely resource intensive. It generates a lot more greenhouse gas emissions throughout the maintenance, distribution, and transportation of the milk itself. Number 2, reduce water usage. Producing dairy milk requires a significant amount of water, as cows need to be hydrated and their feed also requires copious amounts of water. The same report from Oxford found that producing 1 liter of dairy milk requires a staggering 628 liters of water, compared to just 320 for almond, 270 for rice, 48 for oat, and a mere 28 for soy milk. Oof, I need a drink after that fact. 3. Reduce land usage. What we often forget is how much land is required to accommodate the 278 million global dairy cows, along with all of the crops to feed them. And with the demand of milk production rising significantly, all of this land contributes to deforestation and other environmental issues. In contrast, plant-based milk typically requires much less land. Oats, for example, are a winter hardy crop, which can be grown all year round and produce high yields of crop within the same space. I need a drink after that one. 4. Less waste produced. Plant-based milk production generates much less waste than dairy milk production. Again, not only is there waste produced from all of the crops required to feed the cows, but there is an exorbitant amount of animal waste produced, including in the cow's manure. In the case of oats, once again, they are a low input crop which grow effectively with minimal water and little to no fertilizers, which serves to protect underground aquifers and to prevent damage to local biodiversity, unlike all of that manure. I need a drink after that one. 5. Lower energy consumption. Plant-based milk production requires significantly less energy than dairy milk production. For example, I'm getting a little bit technical. Producing 1 liter of almond milk requires 1.1 kilowatt hours of energy, while producing 1 liter of dairy milk requires 3.2 kilowatt hours of energy. Woo! I need a drink after that one. So actually, it's kinda worth crying over that spilled milk and perhaps making a shift towards plant-based milk alternatives. And consider using machines such as Milky Plants, which produce 0 waste. Even the water used to clean it can be used to water your plants. Are you ready to make the shift? Cheers!